Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillah, summa alhamdulillah, wa kadzalikal alhamdulillah. Let me introduce myself. My name is Nifsa Hanifa Syafaat from the Faculty of Economic, majoring in Economic Education, International Class Program. By name 205304 and 6. Okay, in this opportunity, I want to presentation for my 7th assignment, Mathematics Economy by material optimization function with 2 variable. Okay, let's we discuss about the first material. The first material that is application of optimization function with 2 independent variable. In here, there are 6 application of optimization. The first is firm with 2 kinds of product. The second, price discrimination. The third is maximum profit with 2 input. After this, we learn with the example. And the next, maximize utility with budget constraint. And the next, maximize output with cost constraint. And the last, maximize cost with output constraint. Okay, the first material that is application of 2 variable function optimization in optimization in companies with 2 kinds of product. Okay, a company is usually in the product process with the use of 1 type of input. Can be 2 or more product from it. And the example is in a cooking oil company where the input used is coconut and the output is cooking oil and cake. For example, a company that produce 2 kinds of product knowing the demand function is Qx equal F Px Py and Qy G Px and Py, where Qx here quantity of product X demand and Qy here quantity of product Y demand and Px here price of product X and Py here price of product Y. So the total revenue here is TR equal TRX plus TRY equals PX QX plus PY QY. Okay, if we learn from the example like here, like this. Okay, if the demand function of product X and Y are respectively, we must know here Px equal 36 minus 3Qx and Py equal 40 minus 5Qy. We must remember it. And the joint cost function is TCQX Q2 plus 2QXQY plus 3QY2. Determine the quantity and price that maximize profit and find the maximum profit. Okay, let's we answer this question. Okay, answer. We put the formula here. This is P Px Qx plus Py Qy minus F Qx Qy. Okay, we put the question here. 36 minus 3Qx Qx plus 40 minus 5Qy Qy. Nah, we make the equality. Here equality, third equality, fourth equality, and 5 equality. After we get the result of equality, we make substitution. Nah, substitution here, we use 1 and 4. We times this equality 2 times 1, this equality times with 4, until we get the result that is here. Okay, I repeat. This is we make substitution for getting QY. Nah, the result we get QY here equals 2. Okay? Nah, we put here. And let's insert the QX. Nah. This is from equality 4. We put the QI here, QY here, forget the QX until we get the result QX is 4. Nah. After this, after we get QX and QY, we substitution our result here. Nah, from where we get this price X from here. Okay, nah, the question this is PX 36. Let's recalculate. PX. Just now we get QX, that is 4. (36 minus 3) QX here, that is, let's relook. QX here 4. Nah, 4. The result is 12. Nah, because we write here PXR 24. PX 36 minus 12 equal 24. And PY, same with that. PY 40 minus 5 QY here 2. 5 times 2 are 10. The mean is 40 minus 10. The result is 30. And since the second derivative of profit with respect to QX and QY are both negative, and the value of the determinant is greater than 0, it means the profit is maximum at QX, that 4, QY, that 2, and price X 24, and price Y is 30. Profit maximum is obtained from equation 3. Nah, equation. Okay. The equation 3 is this. Okay. Now, after this, we study about the second material, that is application of optimizing function of two variable on price discrimination. In a monopoly market, a company can increase its profit by selling its product at different selling price in each market. For example, a monopoly sells one kind of product into a more separate market. The difference in the selling price of a product in each of those different market is called price discrimination. Price discrimination is carried out by monopolies. If they fulfill the assumption that buyers or consumer cannot buy product in one market, then resell them in other market. In addition, another assumption is that the demand condition in each market must be different, or to be elasticity of demand in each market is different. And suppose a monopolist face two different markets, namely A and B. Then the total revenue function is market A and B are TRA equals FQA and TRB equals GQI, and the total cost function for the two products respectively is TC equals FQIQB. Okay, let's relearn from the example question. Okay, if a monopolist pays demand function BA equals 80 minus 5 QPA and P price equal okay 180 minus 20 QB, and the total cost function is TC equal 50 plus 20. Is the maximum profit of monopolist of the monopolist? Okay, the answer like this. We put the formula here. After that, we put the question. Nah, okay. Now we make the equality, first equality and second equality. Now here boundary pi divided QA. Now we put here until we get the result QI is 6. Now boundary P divided QB, and we calculate until we get the result QB is 4. Now after this we substitution with the question. Nah, here question. Okay, XP minus 5 QPA. Now QA here, that is 6. Now we put 6 here, and QB, that is 4. We put QB here until we get the result. Price A is 50 and price B is 100. From the equation 1, we get QI here, we get QA 6. And equality 2, we get QB 4. Then the substitution the value for QA, QI, and QB into the equation for request PA equals PB and get the result PA this. After we calculate here. Now, okay. So the maximum profit is obtained through the equation. After we calculate, the result is 450. Okay. After this, let's relearn about application of two variable function optimization to determine maximum profit with two input. Suppose a firm used two kind of input, Q and L, and produce a single product Q, then the production function is Q equals VQL. In pure computation, the company cannot determine the price of input and output. Suppose the input price Q and L are A and B, respectively, and the output price Q is C. Then the profit function are to maximize profit. The method is the same as the previous section. Before this we learn, which is to find the first partial derivative and the second partial derivative. Okay, we learn from the example. Suppose the production function is 16Q equals 60 minus 20K minus 5 cube 2 minus 4 minus 4 cube 2, and the price of the respective input K and L are 8 and 4 respectively, and the output is 16. What is the maximum profit? Let's calculate it. Okay, the answer. Nah, we put the production function here. After it, okay, this is the function, and we substitution the equals here. Okay.
Ini beberapa hasil yang cocok.
Sorry. K is 5, L is 4. From here, okay, this is K minus 5. Nah, after that, we calculate it. We calculate until we get the result. We calculate cross 2 times K for K, 2 times 5, 20, and here 4 L 4 times 4 K until here only, and we put the formula boundary pi divided K until we get the result. K is 3, and we calculate by formula until we get the result here. So the maximum profit is obtained from equation which we substitution this equation here. K, 3 we put here. L here we put this 3, 5 until we get the result. Maximum profit, that is 13. Okay. Maybe until here, my explanation to you all about our material today. If you have some question, you can ask me in kolom komentar. I say sorry if I have mistake to you all and wrong about explanation. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.